Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you what are my top 5 DIY favorites in UB Halloween and a little of a review about the movie. I hope you were able to see that movie on Netflix. Since Halloween is just around the corner, and I know that you are searching for a costume that you don't have to spend so much money on, or maybe you can do it yourself. These costumes are definitely highly recommended because they are very cheap and you can get it anywhere. Especially during this pandemic, you can go outside, you can, go in your dresser and grab one of these. This is the part 1 and this is only for women, but don't you worry guys, because I will be uploading the part 2 for men inspired in UB Halloween. So just to give you a little background of the story, if you have seen the movie, UB Halloween is starring Adam Sandler as UB. He does all the comic Sandler things, from weird accent to running gags and scatological humor. And it is Halloween in Salem, Massachusetts, and the town is getting ready for spooky fun. And Yubi, who lives with his mom, is a community volunteer ensuring that everyone has a safe holiday. So he pedals away furiously with a sash proclaiming volunteer. As you can see on his costume, there's like a monitor sash thingy. And his Swiss knife type thermos, it is everything from the fire extinguisher to torch, but not a compass. To see that it is well with tricks and treats, right? So I'm gonna show you now the first Halloween costume that I really like in this movie. So the first character we have here is Megan. She is Paris Birelk in real life, and she's wearing a Red Riding Hood costume. She actually played as Tommy's dream girl in this movie. So as you can see on her costume, this is really a very cheap, and if you have a red cape and a hood in your dresser, you can definitely do it yourself. Or if you have a fabric and you know how to sew, then go girl. Definitely you can use all of this and you can create a costume. This is really easy to make, and this is a must try in 2020 if you haven't tried to wear a Red Riding Hood in the past. Me too, I haven't tried it yet, but this is really cute on your TikTok videos. Just put just put some makeup and there you go. The second one we have here is Peggy. She is a teenager from Salem who works as an actor at the Halloween haunted house, and her costume is very simple and sexy yet a must try, and it's easy. It's very easy. Her makeup here was like Harley Quinn without the red lipstick. I think that's just a little bit of red. And if you have a sheer fabric or dress with the same color, then your costume won't gonna be a problem this year, right? As you can see, her ponytail seems like a mess, and a little bit of bangs there. So this is, if you wanted to try this. And then here's the third costume we have. It's Violet Valentin. So she's Julie Bowen in real life. She is Yubi's crush and former classmate. So if you want a very wholesome costume, I'll go with Violet Valentin. Right there, she was wearing a waitress and a cat ears headband. headband. Very cute. I really like it. If I am to choose in these 5 costumes, I will definitely choose this. It's very easy to find. If you can, if you have a color red dress like this, that's it. It's already a costume, right? And you can actually like do it DIY your hair like her, so it will really like Violet Valentin. She's pretty. And the fourth one here is Mrs. Hennessey. She's Maya Rudolph in real life, and she plays as one of Lester's wife. And another tormentor of Hubie. As you can see on her costume, she's just wearing a white dress where you can get anywhere. If you're thinking of getting this costume for your trick or treat, you better get a wig like this and a black lipstick, right? Maybe you can buy a cheap wig on Amazon like this one, or you can also DIY. There's a lot of Pinterest ideas on how to create your own wig too. This costume is so, fancy yet looks spooky like that. And I don't know how many wives Lester's has or Mr. Hennessey has, but that's weird. And then the last but not the least, we have Miss Taylor. She's wearing a Queen Cleopatra of Egypt. That's what I think, but I'm not sure. But maybe she is, right? So I love her costume. I haven't tried wearing Cleopatra's costume before, but this is definitely like a must try. I have seen Pinterest, DIY tutorials on how to do this that you might want to check out too if you would like to try this kind of costume. But this is really, taking risk. And if you have like jewelries, and if you can DIY the headdress, then definitely. But this one is quite difficult to find, but a must try for me. So I'm gonna film my part 2 for men from Hubie's Halloween. Please watch out for my next video upload. But that's for the men inspired. If you like this video, you can actually try to like and subscribe, or comment down below if you would like me to upload more like this, or if you want to see more in the future. So if you haven't seen Hubie's Halloween, then maybe you can try to watch it on the weekend with your fam. I actually watched that movie, and it's really, fun and spooky Halloween vibe at home. So it made me feel excited. Adam Sandler is really, a long time crush. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you. Bye.